In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a TikTok video within Canva just like this. Let's go. From your Canva homepage, just click on Create and then search for TikTok video, this one here. This way, you will start with the right format already, which is super helpful. Now you can upload your videos here to Canva by clicking on Upload and then Upload Files, or depending on the case, you can search in the Canva library, go into Elements, and then you search here, for instance, for skincare routine, search under Videos, and this way you will find videos that you might want to use in your TikTok. Click on Filter here, and you can select if you want just free videos to be shown, or if you want them only on the vertical side. So this way it's easier for you to already find the right formatting for TikTok. Now I'm going to add a video that I've already searched for before. And this is about a skincare routine that I wanted to record. And you see in the moment that I add the video, this menu up here appears. And this is where you can edit some things on the video. So here you can reduce the time of the first clip, or you can increase it to the length that you need. Okay, so this is like the first clip, so I don't want it to be so long. Okay, here you can remove background of some videos, but this is a pro feature and it depends on how long your video is. This might work sometimes better in a couple of videos than in the others. Here you can do some other stuff like flipping the video. You can click here and apply some filters to it, okay? You can adjust also the brightness. This is something, if you want to add some text, might be helpful to reduce the brightness depending on the video that you have, okay? You can also add some text as you would in any Canva template, okay? You can go to text and just type in the text that you want. I've already had this text here to show to you. When you click on the text, it works as in every other template in Canva. You know, you can make additions like here. You can change the font, you can reduce its size, you can do simply the additions you want. As this is a TikTok video, I'm gonna add some animations in the text because I think it looks nice. So if you want to animate your text, you can click here, select the text first, click on animate, and here I already chosen this typewriter, but here you can choose from many different animations to see which fits the best to your video. I really like them. You can just select if you want on the enter or exit of the video. I chose enter, but you can test and see what is best for your video. If you want to add another clip to that video, you just go here to this plus sign and you see add page. You can add a different video, or you can also add images. You see some TikTok videos are also made out of images, like you can simply go to your elements and instead of going to videos, you can choose photos, and then you simply really have to drag and drop and select this as the background. And if you want to use this image here just as a clip after the video or many different images, that's the way to go. In this example though, I'm gonna show you how to continue building this video, these clips using videos. So I'm deleting this now and adding a different clip to it. I'm going to add just a little bit more of timing, as you can see, and I'm going to add some text. I'm gonna add 2 more videos now. So I was just now doing the same process, actually copying and pasting from the video that I already produced for this tutorial. And now what I really want to show to you is that to make the video more fluent, what you're going to do is to go to add transition. So this way you can see there are many transitions from one clip to another that makes the video more interesting for TikTok. In this case, because of the style that I'm using, I'm going to use this dissolve. And I'm going to do this for every transition. Sometimes you don't find a transition. It's just because we need to see to have more space here. And what you can do when that happens to you as well, you can click here on pages and zoom page, but I'm going to zoom just the clips, you see? So now I have more control of the clips, and it's easier for me to work on the transitions because now when I hover over, I don't just select something else, it's clear where they are. So I'm just going to add the same transition to all the clips, and that's it. When you're done with your video, you just click on play to check to see if you like the length of it, if you like the transitions. I think it looks quite cool. And that's it. That's super easy to do in Canva. When you're done, you can click on share and then you go and download it. You can download as an MP4 video. And if you have a pro account, you can even go further for better quality. But actually, TikTok or Instagram, they always reduce. If you go super like high quality, they will adapt that for streaming. So actually, this is a very good size. And then here you have everything selected, all the pages you want. If you want just two of them, you can select just here the two you want. But once you're done selecting, you can download and then you can upload to your TikTok account. I think it's awesome that we can also make these nice additions here with Canva. If you have your own branding, it's super easy because you have everything in one place, and the videos edition within Canva are getting better and better every time. Not only on desktop, as I'm showing this to you, but also on your mobile app in case you don't use Canva in your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next video.